Imagine a world where intelligent AI agents run entire businesses, governments battle for supremacy in an AI arms race, and trillion-dollar markets explode into existence overnight. That's not science fiction. That's 2025 to early 2026, happening in real time. AI didn't just evolve this year, it detonated, shattering old paradigms across technology, economy, and geopolitics. From the European Union's landmark bans on rogue AI to China's secretive surge in massive-scale models, these 10 game-changing breakthroughs are rewriting reality as we know it. Stick around for number 7. It's the one that could quietly make you incredibly wealthy if you act on it today. Let's dive in. This isn't just news, it's the blueprint for your future. But hold on before the glory. Pure chaos reigns. AI devoured over 100 million jobs worldwide in a single year, sparked unprecedented cyber wars that crippled nations, and guzzled more electricity than entire countries. Powerhouses like Nvidia and Microsoft skyrocketed past $4 trillion in market cap, turning a handful of tech titans into the richest entities on Earth. Yet, a staggering 80% of global firms are still scrambling with massive skills gaps that leave them hopelessly behind. Picture the clash: brutal US tariffs on China's factories, Europe's draconian AI Act threatening jail time for developers, and a digital divide splitting the world forever. Without mastering this critical intel, you're not just at risk, you're obsolete. Kicking off at number 10, the mind-blowing AI market boom. In 2025 alone, the global AI industry blasted from around $500 billion to projections of $3 trillion by 2034. Growing at rates that dwarf the internet boom, a whopping 80% of companies now use AI in core operations like customer service, software development, and hyper-personalized content generation. Your everyday tools transformed overnight. Emerging hubs like India are surging to join the US and China as premier development powerhouses, leveraging vast talent pools. For creators and entrepreneurs, this means unprecedented opportunities to monetize AI at scale like never before. Number 9, multimodal mastery. AI models now seamlessly handle text, images, audio, and video all in one unified brain, turning your smartphone into a super-intelligent companion. Gone are the days of siloed tools. Single prompt now generates full cinematic videos, comprehensive research reports, or even interactive simulations with zero human tweaks. Search engines now see and understand visuals. Chatbots converse with perfect emotional nuance, and creative suites auto-edit footage like Hollywood pros. This convergence has slashed production costs by 90% for video creators, making high-end content accessible to anyone. Climbing to number 8, the agentic revolution. This is 2025's killer app. These aren't dumb chatbots. They're autonomous agents that set their own goals, execute intricate multi-step workflows, and deliver complete results with minimal oversight. Deep research agents now ingest terabytes of data and synthesize hour-long reports in seconds. For your YouTube channel, imagine agents that research trends, write scripts, edit footage, generate thumbnails, and analyze comments, all running 24/7 on open-source stacks for pennies. Number 7, the wealth maker. The explosive open-source surge. Cutting-edge open models now match or beat closed giants like GPT-5 on key benchmarks, all for free. Nations worldwide are racing to build sovereign AI, with local chips and private data centers to slash big tech dependence. India and Saudi Arabia are pouring billions into innovation hubs. This shift empowers solo creators. You can fine-tune massive models on a single GPU cluster and launch viral tools without venture capital gatekeepers. Dropping to number 6, the fierce global regulation wars. Europe's groundbreaking AI Act is the world's first comprehensive law, banning manipulative uses and imposing brutal fines up to 7% of global revenue on high-risk systems. The US counters with a patchwork of sector-specific rules. China enforces ironclad ethics mandates watermarking all synthetic media. India's Digital India Act looms with algorithmic accountability teeth. Meanwhile, Gulf states like Saudi Arabia are unleashing $100 billion to vault into top-tier status. This sorts AI from toys to weapons. Adapt now or get regulated out of existence. Number 5, the insatiable hardware hunger. GPU and accelerator demand turned compute into the new strategic oil. Hyperscalers are building data centers that rival nuclear plants in power draw. Global AI electricity use alone now matches that of small nations. NVIDIA's stratospheric $4 trillion valuation cements chips as the ultimate strategic asset, while India's data center boom positions it perfectly for the next wave of sovereign infrastructure builds. These are just the first 5 trends shaping our world. The AI world just got turned upside down, and these are the 4 biggest shifts you need to know about right now. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 4, the urgent safety push. With AI risks skyrocketing, governments are stepping in hard. They're mandating red teaming stress tests, scalable alignment techniques, and rigorous model evaluations before any major AI release. We're talking about preventing some seriously scary stuff, like AI helping design bioweapons, causing cyber infrastructure meltdowns, or even escalating nuclear scenarios. Because of this, built-in safeguards are now mandatory. For those of you building AI agents for production, this means you absolutely must wrap them in multiple safety layers to comply and scale without worry. Don't skip this step. At number 3, we have the brutal AI showdown between China and the West. It's getting intense. Despite US chip embargoes, Chinese AI models are now tying with Western benchmarks on sheer scale alone. How they're leveraging massive state-backed factories and literal oceans of data. The recent tariffs are only deepening this split, creating 2 parallel ecosystems. The US continues to dominate chip design, while China dominates manufacturing. For any global player, this new reality of 2 AI worlds demands a hybrid strategy to survive and thrive. Now for number 2, the seismic shift happening in the job market. Yes, AI has automated tens of millions of routine jobs, but here, the part they do and talk about enough, has also birthed over 100 million new ones. These new roles are in AI engineering, governance, and what's called human AI orchestration. Staggering 86% of employers are already retooling their workforce with AI. Think about content creators automating their editing and ideation to 10x their output, freeing up humans to focus on the big picture vision. This isn't about replacement, it's about evolution, claiming the number 1 spot, the all-out geopolitical AI arms race that is defining our era. Compute capacity has become the ultimate weapon. We're seeing US tariffs, export bans, and strategic alliances fracturing the global tech landscape into rival blocks. America holds the cards on chip designs. China is crushing it on raw production scale. Europe is setting the standard for ethical rules, and India is unleashing a tsunami of talent. The safety fears are amplifying this race, with concerns over AI agents in warfare simulations, biohacks from leaked models, and nation-state level cyber operations becoming very real. But here's the secret. The real winners in this new world order are onto the governments. They're the agile builders, the innovators like you, the ones who are stacking open source agents with their own local data to create an unbeatable edge. The map of 2026 is being redrawn around new multipolar AI powers. We're seeing Gulf petrodollars funding mega clusters, African hubs mining unique datasets, and your corner of India becoming a stealth superpower. This isn't just hype, this is the new reality. And positioning yourself right now is what will catapult you light years ahead. So, what does victory look like for you, the builder? It looks like free open source models fused with agentic workflows that automate everything. Imagine YouTube channels scaling to millions of subscribers with auto-generated scripts and edits. Picture businesses running on zero-touch operations. For places like India, the timing is perfect. The combination of talent, favorable policy, and low cost is set to crush the competition. You can grab Llama agents today, fine-tune them on your own niche data, and launch a SaaS product that practically prints money while you sleep. The opportunity is massive. So, which of these breakthroughs fires you up the most? Let me know in the comments. If you want to get started, just drop AI agent in the comments and I'll send you my free starter workflow template. Smash that like button if you're excited to build the future, and subscribe with the bell on for your weekly dose of AI gold means. In my next video, I'll show you how to build your first money-making agent in just 10 minutes flat. Thanks for watching. Now go dominate.